Hi, I'm Missy Chavez with TD Bank, and I'll be your host. I would like to invite you to the DeLand Orange City Networking Business Alliance.
Hi, my name is Scott Chesley with Festival Designs. On November 30th, I'll be your business spotlight. Come to the meeting and we're going to show you how to drive your business with our economic development program.